Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video. Last time we talked about how we can convert the projection system of any raster from one projection system to another projection system so that we can work on it based on the requirement of our data sets and other analysis that we are going to perform. So we are talking about a number of hydrological analysis that is preferred in performing them to get some hydrological analysis and preparation of those data sets. So first of all, it is really necessary that we need to check the data sets and we need to perform one very important task, that is field sync. What field syncs does is, let's just have a quick definition of the field syncs. Field syncs is in a surface raster to remove small imperfections in the data. If there is some kind of depressions that is available in the digital elevation model or any kind of other raster data, then we can always perform this field sync to cover those data sets so that there will be no uncertain changes or no uncertain problematic surroundings of the data sets to get it for further analysis. Okay, so how we can perform the field sync? So for that you can just directly go to the geoprocessing tool and go to toolbox. Under the toolbox you will find a number of analysis options. So for our options, now we are going under this spatial analyst tool, and under the spatial analyst tool we have this hydrology section. Okay, so under this hydrology section we have this tool called as fill. Now click on this fill and you will have the options to import the datasets that you are going to perform analysis. So as I said earlier, you can directly select the data from either here, or you can browse, or you can directly drag or drop over here. Okay, you have to check whether this data is working or not. You have to be very sure if there is any error is appearing or not. Seems like there is no error. Great. So we are performing in the same folder, and I'm just simply renaming the data fill. Okay, I will just put it as fill DEM, and yeah, we can leave that jet limit. Either you can put 1, 2 or 3 depending on the parameters dependency of your data sets. So for now I'm just leaving it as nothing because it is an optional. So, and addition to that, what you can check is, you can check over here on your environment, and if it is required then you can always put the snap raster if you are working for multiple rasters, so that the alignment will be done properly. Okay, great. So once you perform all this prepare all these inputs and output information, you can simply go and hit the run. And once it starts working, it will not take a lot of time. You can change, there will be value in the output. There is like -73 values, and maybe this may be some of the area where it is showing like -73 because of presence of this sea area or bay area. That's why. Okay, now you can see the depression is all gone, so you can find the minimum value of digital elevation of 0 to 2355. Yeah, that is how you will just perform your sync. And before working on any hydrological aspects, you if it is required to work on this field sync, then it is always recommended to perform this field sync before you calculate other analysis. For example, you may be calculating flow direction, or maybe slope, or maybe uh, flow accumulation and so on, right? In that case you always have to prepare your datasets in this manner. So yeah, that's all for today, and I will be coming up with another video, so stay tuned. Thank you so much.